Introducing your baby to solid foods is an exciting milestone. Here's a simple guide on how to feed babies aged 6 to 12 months some nutritious and delicious options like apples, bananas, pumpkin, carrots, and sweet potatoes. 1. Apples. Start by peeling, coring, and steaming or boiling the apple slices until they're soft and easy to mash. Mash them to a smooth consistency or leave them slightly chunky for texture. You can also introduce applesauce. Offer small spoonfuls or let your baby self-feed using soft, manageable pieces. Begin with a small amount and gradually increase as your baby's appetite grows. Aim for including this food a few times a week. 2. Bananas. Bananas are a great first food due to their natural sweetness and soft texture. Simply peel and mash a ripe banana until it's smooth and easy for your baby to swallow. As your baby gets more comfortable with eating, you can offer small banana pieces for them to practice self-feeding. Bananas can be introduced daily or as often as your baby enjoys them. 3. Pumpkin. Choose a small pumpkin or butternut squash, peel it and remove the seeds. Cut it into chunks and steam or boil until tender. Mash or blend the cooked pumpkin until smooth. You can also mix it with a bit of breast milk or formula to achieve the desired consistency. Start by offering small spoonfuls and gradually increase the portion size. Incorporate pumpkin into your baby's diet a few times a week. 4. Carrots. Peel and slice carrots into thin sticks or rounds. Steam or boil until they're soft enough to mash with a fork. Mash or blend the cooked carrots to create a smooth puree. As your baby becomes more adept at eating, you can introduce finely chopped or grated carrot pieces for self-feeding. Offer this nutritious vegetable a few times a week, adjusting the portion size according to your baby's appetite. 5. Sweet potatoes. Wash and peel sweet potatoes, then cut them into chunks. Steam or boil until tender and easy to mash. Mash or blend the sweet potato until you achieve a smooth consistency. For variety, you can mix it with other pureed fruits or vegetables. Gradually introduce small spoonfuls and increase the amount as your baby's eating skills develop. Incorporate sweet potatoes into your baby's meals a few times a week. Remember, each baby is unique, so pay attention to their cues and preferences. Always consult your pediatrician before introducing new foods and textures, especially if your baby has any allergies or sensitivities. As your baby progresses, continue to introduce a variety of age-appropriate foods to support their healthy growth and development.